Hey everybody, Roger here with the Warriors Wealth Network. I'm up here in North Bend, Minneapolis, and we're on our yearly yearly retreat where we get away and focus on what the next year is going to hold, what this year accomplished, and what we can do to finish strong in 2024. And my apologies for the hazy look here. We've got some fog going on and the phone fell into the hot tub the other day, so we're trying to dry it off. But I just wanted to encourage you as you start to wind down for the year. This is a time when individuals can start to reflect and ponder what the year held for them, the lessons they had, what they got from it, and what their mistakes were, and what they're grateful for, and all the good things that happened as well. That's kind of what we do. And then they can kind of start to focus on, what do I need to do to finish this year strong? Where do we need to focus our energy and our efforts as we close out the year? And then we start to look at 2025, and we start looking at, well, what are the things that we have in our hands right now? Who are the people that we're working with? Who are the connections that we have? What projects are on the table, what new opportunities are here. And so we look at all that and what's at play, what's in development, and what is in being nurtured, and that kind of gives you an idea of where God may be moving you. Take a look at what new people you've met, new training you've gone through. And it's one of the things that we do inside the Warriors Wealth Network. And the reason why we do this is, I used to work for Jim Rohn. I traveled with him and was his #1 promoter. And Jim used to say most people spend more time planning their vacation than they do their lives. And as I was telling the group while we were out here, that corporations spend hundreds of thousands of dollars and considerable time near the end of the year to strategize their next year. And I like to tell people that you are more valuable than the greatest corporations that you see today. And the reason is that the ideas that God has given you are the ideas that are going to change humanity. They're going to change the generations to come. And so your life is important. And you want to make sure that you take time to plan it carefully. And so I learned a long time ago when I started working with Jim Rohn that when I started applying these ideas, what ended up happening was my life started to grow exponentially. Not just my relationships, but my network, my income, my resources, and the opportunities began to grow and expand. And so I want to encourage you, if you haven't already done so, if you're not happy with where you are in 2024, and if what you set out to accomplish in 2024 was not achieved here, and you're looking back and going, crap, I didn't get any of the things done that I really wanted to get done, then I want to encourage you that if you are wanting 2025 to be a lot better, the next year a lot better than what this year was, then I want to encourage you to consider doing something different. Because as Jim used to tell me, if you keep doing the things that you have done, you're going to keep getting the results that you get. And so if you want new results, you've got to do something new. For things to change, you've got to change. And for things to get better, you've got to get better. And so I want to encourage you, come and join us at the Warriors Wealth Network. The Warriors Wealth Network is your resource depot where you get access to resources, people, training, knowledge, teams, so that you can take the vision you have and bring it to fruition to the world and make a change. And so go to warriorswealthnetwork.com, take a look at the special, and join us here near the end of December for the Warriors Wealth Challenge. Again, you can go to warriorswealthchallenge.com. And so I look forward to sharing some more reels with you. Have a great day. God bless. And remember to continue your journey onward and upward. And as I always like to say,